Enjoy effortless cross-border convenience paired with thoughtful design in this specific floor plan at the Ridge. Located just minutes from downtown Blaine, I-5, and the border, this home offers flexibility for those who value easy travel, commuting, and connection on both sides. With 4 bedrooms total, the primary suite is on the main floor and features a large walk-in closet, dual vanity sinks, and a walk-in tile shower. A flex bedroom or office on the main level sits across from a 3/4 bathroom, ideal for guests or everyday living. The open main living space features tall ceilings, a propane gas fireplace, and a functional kitchen with quartz countertops, island seating, and a walk-in pantry. Upstairs, 2 additional bedrooms share a full bathroom, offering separation and privacy. Covered outdoor living extends your space year-round. Slab-on-grade construction and mini-split heating and cooling via heat pump provide comfort and efficiency. The Ridge offers a peaceful residential setting with close access to amenities, travel routes, and daily essentials. Preferred lender savings include a 1% lender credit plus a $5,000 seller credit from the builder.